All the way down. All the way down. What is up, realists? Welcome to On The Real Fishing. Today, we're heading up another creek. We got about 2 hours. So we're gonna be able to go we're gonna go an hour that way, then an hour coming back. Try to see what we can catch. Already had one really good bite, so I was just kind of casting around before the intro. But we're gonna get in the water here and see what we can catch. Hopefully we can get a decent sized smallmouth, because I got smally fever, baby. It's been a while, so we've been trying all week long, really trying to catch fish. We got on the kayak in the last video. We're gonna get back in the creek today, so hold on tight. Once we get on the reel, we'll try to catch us some fish. All right. Awkward step down point. Activate. Got it. I'm gonna start on this left side here. Start working our way up. Next little compression point. But so I did have one bite here already. Not a catch though, but still. Maybe we'll find something hanging out. I'm gonna kind of go back to the same spot I threw where the bite was. I was kind of up on a little ledge over there. That was a good bite. I don't know how he had it bit though. It was a good thud. There's a good one, there's a good one. There's a good one. There's like 4 good ones right there. All had a chance to catch them, but no. I had to come over here and mess up stuff. Right in front of me. A spotted bass or a largemouth. Got a super really good area for fish. No way. A little rock bass came and decided it was going to slurp it up while I was just sitting there bouncing it around. Well, at least it's our first fish of the day. Not going to complain too much. Little rock bass, first fish of the day. Thank you for biting, friend. I think I got something. What do we get? It's been forever. Threw way up shallow. What do we get? A little bitty smallie right there. Another one was chasing them. Alright. So there we go. We just got our second one today. It's a pretty one too, looks like. There we go. Nice little stripy one. It's got a little funky stuff going on his tail there, but there we go. Second fish of the day. It's been a minute. Goodness. Super shallow here, so I'm not sure if I'll find anything, but all the way down. All the way down. Dang it. Stupid crevices. That's gonna be sore tomorrow. There we go. Got our third fish, I think. Don't know what we got yet. Looks like it's a little smallmouth. Nope. It's a rock bass. No? Smallmouth. Smallmouth. Oh well. It's a lot longer and skinnier than a rock bass. There we go. A little bitty smallie. There we go. 3 fish at least. Oh goodness. Still looking for that big boy though. The big boy might just justify me getting out here and falling on my tuchus. Okay, there's a decent one. There's a decent one. He is excited to come meet me is what he's doing. He's like, oh, I can't wait to meet you. I can't wait to meet you. Alright. Oh, tangled up in this little limb right here. That's not good. That's not good. Okay. I'm gonna get him unhooked first. Okay. All right, biggest one of the day. There we go. Not quite the monster I'm looking for, but still some nice sized smallmouth. Thank you for biting, friend. There we go, another one. Another fish. Let's see what this is. This looks like a rock bass. It's a big old rock bass though. It's bigger than the one before. Rock bass really don't put up too big of a fight. They usually ski in. But check this guy out. Beautiful fish. Nice. There we go. Now we're up to 5. We can do that. See you, buddy. Ow, right into my foot. Over the tree? Oh, into the tree. Okay, well that's not good. Good, coming at me. Okay. Alrighty. Top water's loaded on. I'll take a few casts here before we turn around. Let's see if we can't get anybody's attention. Oh, we got it. No, we didn't. Where's it at? Okay. A good splash over there. See if we can't throw it back over there. Well, there we go. Got our first one on top water. Just got to get it rolled in. Looks like it's probably a rock bass there. In the water, no, smallmouth. Just got up weird. Alright. There we go. First little smallie there on the top water. Right there on the bottom side of that sucker. Alright, buddy. Thank you for biting. See ya. Alright, beginning to get worried. We won't catch anything on the top water, but there we go, we got one. There we go, another one on top water, a little bit bigger than that last one, I think. Just think about using crankbaits, you don't set the hook really, you just kind of reel them in. The problem is all the treble hooks to deal with. Goodness gracious. Didn't scallop a little bit. So I don't like treble hooks. No, we let him go. I was worried that he wasn't going to be ready. He went off on his own, so. Alright, number 2. We gotta let our top water unwind here. I'll be back in a second when this is done. All right, the last couple casts here with the top water before I gotta get out of here. Try to, oop, that was terrible. Try to at least get one more on this before we get on with our day. So, let's see. Oh, yep, there we go. We get it all the way in, it'll be our one more. Come here, little fishy. Come here, little fishy. Oh, rock bass. Rock bass, smacked it at the end. Sweet. That little bitty rock bass guy came up and got it. That was quick. Might try us a couple more casts here. But see you, rock bass. Oh, something came up and bit it. Wasn't a hard bite. It's kind of like an ow. What we get here? Oh yeah, we mixed it up finally. Yeah, spotted bass. Spotted bass. All right, got him loose. Revived him up a little bit. Probably will show him off for sure. There we go, a little spotted bass there. Nice. He just kind of came up and slurped it. All right, buddy, thank you for biting. Alrighty, realist. We've been out here for about 2.5 hours, so it's now time to get on home. Actually, get on to work, actually. It's morning time. So, thank you guys, as always, for coming out and supporting the channel. Let's just go out and fish. That's all I do. I like to try new things every now and then. Thank you guys as always. Hopefully you guys have a great day, great night, great morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. Hopefully it's awesome. And you guys get a chance to get on the reel real soon. Come on, one more fishy. One more fishy. One more fishy. Probably not.